I'm pretty sure by now you've heard of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. And as we all know, cryptocurrencies are about to hit their all-time high, and therefore more and more Aussies are looking into investing into these digital assets, but sadly they're unsure on how to do so. G'day guys, it's Slack here, and in this video we'll be going over the step-by-step process on how to go ahead and buy your very first cryptocurrency right here in Australia. This is a perfect video for a complete beginner, as I will be going ahead and buying Ethereum, which is the world's second largest cryptocurrency, and I will be showing you the entire end-to-end process. In this video, I will be using the application called Coinspot, which is Australia's most trusted brokerage, and what I personally use to invest into crypto. Now let's get straight into the value. So as you guys can see, we're currently on the homepage for coinspot.com.au. This is basically where you go ahead and register and create your account to buy all your cryptocurrency. So for us to do that, you click on register over here. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, this is where we put in our email address, password for our account, and finally a referral or an affiliate code. What I'll do is I'll put down my referral code in the description box below so that you and I can both get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. And then you click on I'm not a robot, and finally you can go ahead and click on create account. So as I've already created a Coinspot account in the past, I don't need to create one now, so I'll go ahead and just log into it. So after you go ahead and sign up with Coinspot and put in all your information and your IDs, this is the home page it will bring you to. As you can see, I've currently got $1,000 worth of funds in my Coinspot account, which I'm going to be using in this video to buy some cryptocurrency. To be more specific, I'll be buying Ethereum. So now let's go ahead and show you the features of this application. As you can see, we're currently on the dashboard for our Coinspot account. This is basically my watch. You can actually see the market cap for all of these coins. You can see the change in the pricing over the last 24 hours, and obviously the volume. So once you actually scroll down, Coinspot actually shows you the crypto coins which are popular today and any new coins which have recently come up. So as you can see, it's quite a simple dashboard and pretty easy for us to understand and actually to use. So after you sign up with Coinspot, you'll have a $0 balance. So the first thing you need to do is click on deposit funds, what you'll use to put your Australian dollars into this application to then go ahead and buy crypto. So there are multiple ways you can actually top up your Coinspot account. The first option is Poly. This is basically where you type in the amount which you want to deposit. Let's just say $200, and then you select the bank which you want to deposit off with. In my case, I'm going to just use Commonwealth Bank, and then you click on continue to Poly. Now this is basically where it will come up over here, and you click on continue. Now this will automatically bring me to my Commonwealth Bank login. So now you basically go ahead and log in through your NetBank ID, and you follow the procedures. It's quite self-explanatory, and you'll be able to hopefully deposit funds into your account. So in this case, I've already got $1,000 in my account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use those. There are also other ways to deposit money into your Coinspot account. If, for example, your bank does not show up in this list, you can actually use Pay ID, which is basically you can put in these details into your banking application, and the money will automatically be transferred. Just make sure whenever you're using Pay ID, you're using the correct description amount and the correct ID, just so that your money doesn't get lost. You also have BPay available. You can even do direct deposit. So as you can see, there's quite a few options, and pick whichever one suits the best for you. I personally have used Poly option as well as Pay ID option, as the deposit time is instant. So basically, as soon as you process the deposit, the money comes into your Coinspot account straight away without wasting any time. That's the reason why I use it, and the deposit fee is obviously free, as you can see over here. So after you go ahead and deposit money into your accounts, your funds will obviously show up over here. Now let's go ahead and buy our very first cryptocurrency. Your money has been deposited into your Coinspot and showing up over here. You go ahead and click on Buy/Sell. And as you can see over here, it comes up with the list of all the crypto coins which are being offered on Coinspot, and you can actually go ahead and select the cryptocurrency which you want to buy. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and buy some Ethereum. So for us to do that, you can click on Buy ETH. Now it comes up with this screen over here. So as you can see, this is the current rate of Ethereum as per the time I'm recording this video. And this is in Aussie dollars, so not in USD. So over here you can put in the amount of Ethereum which you want to buy. So for this case, I'll put in 500 Australian dollars worth of Ethereum, which comes up to 0.121 Ethereum. As you can see, it will also show you the available balance for your AUD. So finally, now you go ahead and click on buy. So after you click on buy, it comes up with this confirm transaction page where you basically go ahead and review the order. As you can see, there's a $4.95 fee, which comes up to only 1%. And then it shows you the total amount of ETH, which I'll get after going and purchasing the Ethereum. So what I'll do is then I'll go ahead and click on confirm buy. And that's it. It's as simple as that, guys. Now we can go ahead and access that Ethereum in our wallet. So for us to do that, you click on go to ETH wallet. Perfect. So now it's showing us the value for the Ethereum which we own, which comes up to $495, and it shows you the quantity of that Ethereum. And as you can see, our account funds have also gone down to 500 AUD. Well, if you guys have found the video useful so far, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So now many of you guys might be wondering that, after holding on to a cryptocurrency for a while, you might want to sell it, and how do you do that? So selling your cryptocurrency on Coinspot is quite a simple process as well. So for us to do that, you click on sell over here. And as you can see, it will show you how much Ethereum you want to sell. So let's just swap it to change to odd. So as you can see, we have got 0.1200 ETH. So let's just say you want to sell $200 worth of Ethereum. That comes up to 0.049. Now you click on sell. And now once you click on confirm sell, it will actually go ahead and process a transaction. Again, the Coinspot fee is only $2. But in this case, I'm not going to sell this as I want to hold on to this Ethereum. So let's just press cancel. So well, there you go. That's how you actually go ahead and buy as well as sell cryptocurrencies on Coinspot. But that's not it. I'll go ahead and show you some more cool features on this Coinspot platform. As you can see, once you scroll down, it actually shows you some information on what that cryptocurrency is. So when you're researching into different cryptocurrencies, it will actually show you, what the cryptocurrency stands about and what it actually is all about. So this is quite a good note for you to look into. You can also go ahead and click on show charts. And as you can see, this shows you the pricing chart for that specific cryptocurrency over the last 1 day. You have an option to choose from different time periods as well. So let's just click on 3 months, and it shows you the price fluctuation of Ethereum over the last 3 months. So this is quite a great tool for you guys to play around with and see what the cryptocurrency was worth. And you can even click on advanced charts if you really want to go deep into crypto analysis. But for most of us beginners, we don't need to do that. So let's just click on back. Another cool feature about this platform is you can actually swap your cryptocurrency with another one. So what it basically means is an option to actually convert my Ethereum directly into Bitcoin. So what that basically means is that instead of selling my Ethereum for an Australian dollar and then using that AUD to buy up that Bitcoin, I actually end up paying transaction fees twice. So instead of doing that long complicated process, you can actually directly swap it. For us to do that, you can put in the amount of Ethereum which you want to swap. So in my case, I've got 0.12. So let's just say I want to swap 0.02 ETH. And I would like to swap it for example, Bitcoin. And finally, you can go ahead and click on confirm swap. But in this case, I don't want to swap my Ethereum into Bitcoin. I want to leave it as it is. So I'll just go ahead and click on cancel. But then if you guys want to swap directly, you can just click on confirm swap. Perfect. And with Coinspot, you also get different features to actually take profit and stop loss. So for us to do that, you click on order Ethereum. So as you can see, we are brought onto this screen over here. So now we've got an option to go ahead and place a stop loss, or place a take profit, a buy limit, or a buy stop. So what stop loss basically means is that basically if the price of Ethereum falls, so let's just say it's worth $4,030 right now, and if the price, for example, falls to $3,000, so you can actually go ahead and place a stop loss, meaning that as soon as the price hits the $3,000 mark, Coinspot will automatically go ahead and sell your Ethereum. So this can be used in place where you might not be confident about that cryptocurrency, and you can go ahead and use this feature to actually go ahead and stop taking any losses, as the name suggests. You also have a feature to actually do the opposite of a stop loss. So basically take profit. So let's just say if the Ethereum price rises to $5,000 and I want to take some of the profit, so I can place a take profit order. So let's just say 5,000 AUD, and I'd like to sell 0.02 ETH. And then you go ahead and click on set take profit. So as you can see on this confirmation page, if the Ethereum price rises to 5,000 AUD, Coinspot will automatically sell 0.02 ETH. And you can then click on confirm take profit order. In this case, I don't want to place that, so I'll click on cancel. Now let's take a look at bar limit. So what bar limit basically means is that the Ethereum prices falls down to a certain amount, Coinspot will automatically go ahead and place an order for you. So let's just say you want to buy Ethereum when the price falls down to, let's just say $3,000. So what you can do is you can put in $3,000 over here, and you can then select the amount of Ethereum which you want to buy. So 0.02. You also got to make sure you have got sufficient amount of balance to cover that amount of Ethereum at that certain price, and then you click on set buy limit. You can see on that confirmation page, if the Ethereum price falls down to $3,000, Coinspot would automatically buy 0.066 worth amount of ETH for you automatically. And you can go ahead and click on confirm buy limit, and it will go ahead and place that for you. You even have an option to do buy stop. So what that basically means is that if the Ethereum price, for example, rises to a certain amount, Coinspot will automatically go buy a certain amount of Ethereum for you. Let's just say if the Ethereum price was to rise to $5,000 tomorrow, and you would like to purchase a certain amount of Ethereum, so you can go ahead and place that order over here. So you click on, type in the amount of Ethereum which you want to buy. So let's just say 0.02, and then you go ahead and click on set buy stop, and finally click on confirm buy stop. So well, there you go guys, we have gone ahead and covered dashboard, wallets, buying and selling, swapping of crypto coins, and finally we'll take a look at bundles. So bundles is actually quite a great way for a beginner to invest into crypto. So you might be wondering, what is a Coinspot bundle? A Coinspot bundle is basically similar to what an ETF is with the stocks. So it's basically a basket as well as a collection of certain types of crypto coins. And the advantages of a bundle is basically you can buy multiple assets or multiple crypto coins in just one transaction, and you have an option to diversify your holdings. And so instead of buying just one specific crypto coin, you can diversify into multiple different coins. And finally, you get to save time and avoid paying multiple transaction fees. So as you can see, Coinspot has actually quite a great offerings in terms of bundles. This is the top 3 market cap crypto coins, which is basically Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So you can actually go ahead and buy this. So for us to do that, you click on buy over here. So it actually shows you the percentage of each individual cryptocurrency in that bundle. So as you can see, Bitcoin is 34%, and both Ethereum and Cardano is only 33%. So as you can see over here, you can go ahead and type in the amount which you want to purchase the bundle for, $500 worth of the bundle. So what that basically means is that in one transaction, you'll get 0.002 Bitcoin, 0.03 Ethereum, and 49 Cardano coins. So you go ahead and click on buy. And then finally, over here, to confirm the transaction, you click on confirm buy. You also have quite a few other great bundles. As you can see, you have the top 10 market cap, which diversifies even more. It's got basically all the other popular crypto coins as well, such as BNB, Ripple, Dogecoin, Solana, Polkadot. As you can see, there's quite a few bundles for you guys to choose from. Well, that's how you buy and sell cryptocurrency using Coinspot. As you guys can see, it's a fairly straightforward and simple process to follow, thanks to the great user interface and features on offer by Coinspot. So if you plan on buying your first cryptocurrency using Coinspot, make sure to check out the referral link in the description so that both you and I can get free Bitcoin worth $10. Otherwise, if you guys found this video useful, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below the first cryptocurrency you will be buying and any questions you guys have. And finally, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to learn more about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.